going on, people? Again, back again with another video. First of all, thank you for you guys being here, watching my video. Today I got something really different. I'm gonna do something very different actually. Today I'm gonna do a teardown on a Samsung tablet 4, Galaxy 4. So this is what we're gonna tear down today. I just want to see what's inside, and I'm going to do durability test on the front, see how the screen is, how quick does it scratch, what kind of things are inside. Like, we're going to open it, we're going to tear it down, see what's inside here, how's the battery, like everything. We're going to tear this thing to like nothing, to the bones. That's pretty much what I'm going to do to this. And you guys can see this thing works, fully functional. Nothing wrong with it, everything works. You guys can see camera, everything is working, everything is good to go. So before I start this video, don't forget to press that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell for video notifications, and let's get this video started. So I'll see you guys in a minute. What's going on, guys? I'm back now. So let's start this video. Let's do the first thing we're going to do. Let's do a scratch test on this thing. That's a razor blade. Let's see. That's a really sharp, actually, laser blade. Let's see how does it scratch. Let's check it out. Did it actually scratch? If you guys can see, no scratches at all. It did not scratch. So let's try with different, with the X-Acto knife now. And I'm going harder now, really hard now. If you guys can see, let's see, no scratch at all, no scratch at all. So now let's do with a file. This is a metal filer. This thing pretty much files anything you want. So let's grab this. Man, I'm really pushing onto this. And it's not scratching. Like, it is not scratching, guys. This is crazy. No scratch. Like, absolutely no scratch. Let me wipe it. Yeah, no scratch. So, now let's try the top. I'm gonna grab it. See, it falls up. Let's do the back. Yeah, easy. That's plastic. Let's try the back camera now. Let's do a scratch test on the camera. Let's go. Yeah, the camera scratch is really easy. That one, easy. Let's pop it out. I'll pop out. Oh, I got it. Let's pop it out. Do that. Okay, that's the actual camera thing, guys. That's the actual camera inside. As you guys can see, the back is plastic, so it really scratches really easy. So now let's see, let me turn the screen on. No scratches at all. See, like nothing. This thing will not scratch. Let's open it actually. There, I think it's a pop out. There we go. So that's the back of it, guys. That's what it looks like. That's the inside. What's running. That's the battery. I really don't know what these are, but we're gonna find out together, I guess. That's your camera. There's a store function. Yes, it's store function. Let's open these screws. Okay, let's pull this out. That came out easy. That's out. These are all out. Yeah, that's the battery for sure. I think that both are the batteries. There we go, that's out. Now it's out. Okay. That's the battery. This battery lasts at least for full charge. I can use my tablet for 10 hours. So this battery is good. It's not that heavy. It's, I say like a half an ounce. So let's put that away. That's the LCD in the back. Let's get into here. Let's see what else this thing got. Let's open these screws. Let's see. Okay, that's that. There's one more screw. Any more screws? Let's see. Any more screw? Yeah, we got one more screw here. We gotta pop this out right there. That thing's gotta pop out. And there's another pop out right there. Let's see this. Hold on, let me see. That's the camera. Yeah, that was a pop out. That's for the camera right there. And you gotta pop these out. One here. And there's another one here. You pop these out. And this comes out. So that's the other part of it. I think that's the brain for the whole thing. That's the brain, yeah, for sure. It's gotta be the brain. And that's the camera. So you can take this out. The camera comes right out. So if you decide you ever want to change the camera to a better camera, very easy to change. Boom. You can click it in, click it out. Very easy. That's it, guys. Show you guys better view of it. Let's put that away. Okay, let's see what else this thing's got. Let's see what this is. That is, let's see if that comes out too. Yeah, that comes out too. I don't know what that is, but that's another piece. Put that away. Let's get into the LCD. That's gotta pop out. Okay, that's another pop out, guys. Right there. And now, okay, we gotta take the LCD out. Let's try to take this, maybe tear it. Let's tear it. Let's see. It's like a glue. It's been glued on. That's the LCD, guys. This one is glass. It's like plasticky glass. And that's the LCD. That's the LCD, guys. It actually did not break. No, it actually did, yeah. It's like plastic. Let's try the front button. Yeah, popped out. That's pretty much it for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 full teardown all the way to the bones. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, press the bell for video notifications, and thank you for watching my video, and I catch you guys on the next video. So peace out for now.